Hello crypto warriors, welcome back again to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to review your crypto project. Before, this video is not for any financial advices and I am not a financial advisor. So, let's start. Alright, in this video, I'll discuss about this project, that its potential or not, like everything. Hope you guys give me your valuable times. Now, as you can see, the website interface in my screen now, and the project name is Calcium. So, if you are looking a fully community driven crypto project, so this project is for you guys. So, where you can see what is Calcium. So, obviously, you can see that it's a meme coin. Now, welcome to Calcium. SHIB army. After SHIBs, let's down, tails, inverts. They are chance for a true community driven token. Let's unite, reclaim, and regularize. The regularizations tab. So here you can see the contract address. So obviously it's built on Ethereum blockchain. So simply you can check it out. Now you will get the social links in their website like the Telegram and Twitter. Now let's see what is about like the Calcium. Here's SHIB army. Like if you are a SHIB army, so obviously this is for you. Here's SHIB army. They have been seen how things have gone down with share. Promises of Shiboshi leash the metaverse. And now Shibarium all ended up being nothing more than a failed experiments. They put their trust, their hope, and their money into these ventures, believing in a brighter crypto futures. But what did we get? Disappointments one after another. And now the SHIB deployer messes up with Calcium. Hundreds of thousands lost. This isn't just about the money. It's about trust. It's about transparency. It's about the community that deserves better. Enough is enough. It's time for our change. It's time for our realizations. We don't need complicated words for fancy speeches. We just need to unite, to come together as a community and say we deserve better. Let's take a control. Let's make SHIB a real community token. No sweat by failed experiments or careless mistakes. Our tokens that represent them, the community. Like this is a straightforward information and direction about Calcium. Literally, I like it. The revelations of the cow is now with the mishap with Calcium. While so many of us faced losses, it might seem like just another seed bag, but looks closer. This token, despite its origins, it's free from the grip of the SHIB team. It's an opportunity and unexpected twist in their journey. Here can be the began, like obvious that initialize them, born from SHIB but untouched by team's console. So this is literally a community driven token. So obviously we can expect much better than from we can expect a much from this project because literally it's amazing. Enough of empty promises, and here you can see something more information about it. Now it's time to add Calcium to your wallet. So where you can see that Calcium, like it's a milk, and here you can see like you drink milk, and obviously you will get Calcium from milk when you drink milk. Now, how to buy? You get a introduction about it. You get a guide like how you can buy it. It's simple. Just get a wallet, go to Uniswap, start some Ethereum, and simply swap. Available in Etherscan, Uniswap, Dexto, and Dextilos. Guys, they have no white paper in their website and nothing much, but they are doing well marketing. Like they are huge. If I wanted to say, personally, if you are looking at community driven projects, obviously you can check this out. Now let's check it out, the chart of this Calcium or Cal. So obviously here you can see they are, first of all, they like if I wanted to talk about their chart, just look at it's really amazing. And here you can see the market cap right now, 7.42 million. I believe that they will achieve 50 million market cap in the October. Because it's obviously a community diverse project, so obviously it depends on the community, like the holders. So here you can see the liquidity, like here you can see the liquidity, the holders, the 24-hour volume, guys, and the circulation supply and the total market cap. Here you can see, literally it's amazing. Now, if you saw about the price, why you should buy it like from support, like if you the support from here, like simply there is a support here you can see. So obviously if you wanted to buy it from here, so obviously you can buy it from this support. Like if you hit a zone here, so obviously if it touch in this like 0.028 cents, so I think it can be found from here. Okay, so obviously it's now on, first of all it's just uptrend, but now they are looking on downtrend. So obviously I don't want to tell you to buy it now. Obviously you can wait for the support and you can purchase or you can buy up back from here. Literally it's an amazing. And if you see the market cap, which is 7 million right now, obviously who knows, they are doing huge marketing like recently. Their tokens we listed on Altcoins exchange, and obviously it can easily reach the market cap, which is the 50 million to 100 million. I hope so. So here you can see something about their 24 hours volume, their expectations, like here you can see everything, like their transactions, buy and sales, and everything what you need, you can check it out. So about the price, as I said, and if you saw like whales are sellings, like whales played here, and here you can see the community vote, like 93% are satisfied with this token, and huge buying pressures right now, where you can see everyone wanted to buy it in the dip. Like every dip is opportunity to buy for us. So obviously if you are interested to invest in or buy, so obviously please make sure to do your own research, because this video is not for any financial advice. Alright, so here you can see something about their price, and obviously after that if you wanted to buy it, so obviously we can hold it till the support. Now let's check it out their X profile. So where you can see the Twitter, and they have nothing much, like they are just totally simple. Like here you can see they are adding a jar by downloading from Google Photos, I think so. And here you can see the cashiers, and they have now 2,841 followers. And literally they are doing one marketing, and their team is very active on Twitter. Like here you can see, it's literally amazing. Okay, so here you can see the ETH and everything what you need. Like recent, like 16 hours ago they are posting like they will reach a new all-time high, but now it's time to dump, because after some ETH the dump is it's normal literally. Now about the potential things, as I said that it's listed on Altcoins on meme zone. So obviously it's a meme coin. We can say that it's just start, and it's easily can touch, guys. It's easily can touch, like obviously it's 10 cents to 20 cents, because if they are achieve 10 to 15 million market cap, so who knows, it's easy to touch 10 cents to 20 cents from this project. So this is it about this project. For more info, you can join their Telegram community, and please subscribe this YouTube channel for more Kit the projects. Peace.